Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Montes Art Studio, and I pulled out my big sketchbook. I love this big sketchbook. This is my Moleskine A3 hardcover sketchbook, and it is so fun. So this is gonna probably take over my entire art desk, and I really want to use my Tombow markers. So I have almost completed this sketchbook, and eventually we'll have a sketchbook tour. Let's see how many pages I can do today because I'm really in the mood. I'm in the process of cleaning my studio at the moment, which is going to be another video. But I only have a bit of spreads left. So that's one spread, 2, 10, including this one. So excited. Look at how juicy. Okay, so let's jump into this. I'm gonna pull some source of inspiration. I'm not sure what, but I'm feeling flowery. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, what better book to use than this large book? This is the Book of Blooms, and I love the way this is illustrated. It's more like a science children's book. So I think I'm gonna pull some inspiration. I love how they like kind of create like these watercolor effects that kind of look almost painterly, collage style. So I'm gonna pull inspiration from this because I do want to make a spread, and I do want to paint flowers, and I'm thinking I like this spread here, roses. And I'm gonna use my wildflower book. the longest name ever. Papaver Purper Air. I'm not gonna say it again. Okay, I'm gonna color now. Okay, here's my sketchbook spread. It was so much fun just to like scribble and doodle. And as I was doing this, I was remembering some of the flowers and how they looked. So I think drawing them in my own way helped me to remember the names, except for that name. I can't say that. There's like the entire alphabet in that letter, in that word. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and let me know which flower is your favorite. I'll see you in the next one.